ResponDrone Decision Support Service helps decision makers in their decision making in the management of crises such as wildfires or floods. During the preparation phase, the first responders' services enter their roles on the web interface. During the crisis, drones were used to collect data. Expressive can analyze them thanks to its spatial reasoning module while using other types of data. The Decision Support Service is available on request. It queries Expressive with the area to analyze. In the event of potential flooding, the Decision Support Service assesses the potential flow area through topography. In the case of forest fires, the Decision Support Service calculates the potential evolution of the fire from the weather and the topography. It then requests Expressive with the area to be analyzed to assess the risk of human, economic, societal or environmental stakes in the surroundings. Stakes that are sufficiently close to the path of fire spread are considered exposed. They are more or less at risk depending on their typology. The buildings and infrastructures that have been analyzed by Expressive are displayed in red for those most at risk, such as certain infrastructures. Those displayed in yellow have a medium risk either because they are less vulnerable or because the severity of the consequences would be less. Finally, buildings displayed in green have a low risk. Some buildings, even far, may present a particular risk, requiring special protective measures. It is possible to choose another weather scenario and query Expressive again. The map is then updated with the new results. The project has made it possible to boost its computing capacity, to take into account topography in addition to 2D, to open up the authoring of rules thanks to a web interface, and to prepare the new generation of web services. The technology readiness level increased from 4 to 6 during the project.